right there.
Okay, so today we're gonna take chance of this great day outside to play some water gun fights. Okay, so this is gonna be round one, and so what we have to do is we're gonna get rid of this first, and then we have big old guns. Okay, these are all filled with water.
This thing actually is cool, huh?
The water is kind of cold.
Mostly this pistol is really cool
And
if you actually don't.
Okay, and
see.
today, so we're gonna have fun. After this, we're gonna do some painting. We're gonna take a shower. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, okay?
Okay, so first up we have this pistol as a.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So he's gonna take his place, and I'm gonna count to 3. So ready,
1,
2, 3. Wait! Oh, we can do that? Okay. Safe. You can't go that way, you cheater. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah. Safe. I'm still getting you wet. I'm almost done with my water. Pow, pow. So cool. Not my booty.
Okay, I'm done.
No, you're not, you cheater. Don't cheat. Look, I'm done with water. Look. Are you done with yours? Ah. I think I have something in my shoe.
I think. Actually, we actually have to go because the water is cold.
Huh?
But it's not cold to me. Put your hands up! FBI, open up!
So,
Huh?
are we ready for that? The big ones? Okay, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. 3. Let's start at 3, okay? Rock,
Paper,
scissors, shoot. 1-0. Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot.
2-0. I win. Okay, so that means I get a 5 seconds. I get 5 seconds to shoot you.
That's your something 30.
Big glory. Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can get your gun. You can get your gun.
Wait, you're not fire.
Ready? See,
Ah!
oh wait, see if you can shoot it. Can you shoot it? The water's falling. Here, give me that one. Ready?
Set.
3, 2, 1. Okay, but this one, if you're behind here, you can't shoot. Okay? You have to be like this. So you can't shoot, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
3.
2,
You can't shoot me though. I can't shoot you either. 3, 2,
1.
1. You can't shoot me. I'm behind the thing. Are you gonna get out? Are you getting out? You can't shoot me. I'm here. Hey, go.
Oh my daddy.
Wait. I gotta close it. Ow, my hair. Come on, bro. Bad idea. Oh, cool. That didn't work.
You can't get me.
Better get up. Better get up. You're gonna finish with water. Then it's gonna be my turn. Shoot me all you want. That doesn't work. Hey! Hey, you cheater! Get out of here! Oh yeah! He opens the bomb up. Ow, my armpits! He opens the Hey! Matrix. Boy, we went over the rules. Did you finish your water? Yeah, yes I go. Oh no! Okay. So that was a water fight. You're gonna wet the phone. Stop! You're putting it inside the house. So that was. Not my ear. Okay, that's it. I guess you won. Axel, you're the winner. Ya no hay agua. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. My goodness. Might as well shower out here. Alright. So, that was our first water fight. I think the clear winner was me. Who won? I said, who won? No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Put it back. We gotta do round two. Put it back.
Oh yeah. Let's do it. So actually we do have to be in round 2. I guess.
Was that fun?
Round 2.
Was that fun?
Yes, round 2.
Alright,
We're doing round
we're gonna
two.
do round 2 now. But this one I'm not gonna record. So peace. Hope you guys liked the video. We're gonna do another video
Okay,
when we start
please
painting.
subscribe right now. Leave a comment right now.
Not right now because I haven't uploaded it yet.
Bruh. I'll
Peace.
beat you up. I'll beat you up, my mama.